Remove organic stains like red wine, fruit juices, and cola stains from your garment by 1. Blotting the stain with a clean white cloth or paper towel to absorb as much of the wine as possible. Be careful not to rub it so that the stain doesn't spread. 2. After that, pour some salt onto the stain to help in absorption of the wine. Let it sit on the stain for some time. 3. Mix 1/2 cup of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon liquid washing detergent in a small bowl. While the detergent helps in cleaning the garment, the white vinegar neutralizes colors. Dampen the stained area with white vinegar mixture and rub it into the fabric with your fingers until it's completely saturated. Let it sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then, 4. Gently blot the stained area with a clean cloth or paper towel to lift the red wine stain and watch the stain transferring onto the paper towel. Rinse it off with cold water, then wash as usual. If you find this video helpful and you want more of this remedies, give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video.